Let's go ahead and set up debugging. To begin with, we'll drag and drop a sample folder that has a single JavaScript file within it. As you can see there, the file simply writes to the console 4 times. Hello world 1, 2, 3, 4. And to set up debugging, we'll click on the bug icon, click on the play button, select Node.js, and once we do, you'll see that it generates a configuration file for us. I'm going to go ahead and enter a single thing. This is the one addition that you need to make to the default configuration file, and it is the file that the debugger is going to run first. Since we have a single file, in this case the choice is easy. We simply enter index.js. We'll save that file, go back to the file listing, and as you can see there, that has been added to the project. Now let's go back to index and add some breakpoints. We'll break on every console log. And now when we go back to debug and we start the debugger, you can see there that it has stopped at the first log statement. Now let me go ahead and step over that. And as you can see there, it has written to the console, hello world 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 4. So these are the basics of debugging, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. So with that, I wish you happy coding and goodbye.